Complete tutorial, how to start your own YouTube channel, beginner-friendly and senior-friendly. 1. Decide your channel purpose. A clear purpose makes everything easier. Share spiritual wisdom and manifestation tips. Teach seniors simple tech skills. Offer humor, storytelling, or life lessons. Document your journey or passions. Tip 1. 2. Create or sign in to a Google account. YouTube is owned by Google, so you need a Google account. Steps. Go to google.com. Click sign in or create account. Choose for myself. Follow the prompts. If you already use Gmail, you're set. 3. Create your YouTube channel. Once signed in, go to youtube.com. Click your profile picture, top right. Select Create a channel. Enter your channel name. Upload a profile picture. Use a clear, friendly headshot or a simple logo. Seniors respond well to warm, human images. 4. Customize your channel. This is where your channel starts to feel like you. Channel banner. Use a simple, readable banner. Include your name or channel name. Add a tagline like, Spiritual Wisdom for Seniors. Searching for the Light. About section. Write a warm, welcoming description. Who you are. What viewers can expect. Your upload schedule. Optional. Links to Buy Me a Coffee, website, or social pages. 5. Plan your first videos. Start simple. Your first videos don't need to be perfect. Beginner-friendly video ideas. A short introduction. Welcome to my channel. A simple spiritual message. A senior-friendly tech tip. A story from your life. A 15-second short with text and gentle music. Tip. Shorts are the easiest way to start. 6. Record your video. You don't need fancy gear. Use what you have. Smartphone. Natural light. Quiet room. Simple background. Keep the camera at eye level. Speak slowly and warmly. Smile gently. Keep videos short at first, 30-90 seconds. 7. Edit your video. You can edit on your phone or computer. Beginner tools. CapCut. You already use this well. YouTube's built-in editor. Keep it simple. Trim the start and end. Add text if needed. Add gentle music. Keep transitions minimal. 8. Upload your video on YouTube. Click Create. Camera icon with a plus. Select Upload Video. Choose your file. Add a title, description, and hashtags. Choose visibility. Public is best for growth. Click Publish. 9. Optimize your video. SEO basics. Include a clear title, a friendly description, 3 and 5 relevant hashtags, a thumbnail that's simple and readable. 10. Create a posting routine. Consistency matters more than perfection. Easy routines. 1 short per day, your current plan. 1 longer video per week, batch record on weekends. 11. Engage with your audience. Reply to comments with warmth and encouragement. Once you reach YouTube, partner program requirements you can earn through. You're already setting up your monetization ethically and senior-friendly. Final advice. Start simple, start small, start with heart. Your channel will grow because your message is genuine and your audience needs exactly what you sign in recreating.